everyone look here, look friend. Why we are doing yoga here? You want to know why we are doing yoga? Today is which date? Everyone know? Yoga day. Date I am asking. 21st June. Don't repeat after me. 21st June is considered as a yoga day. Okay, every year we celebrating yoga day from 2014. Yes. So, who has given us to do this permission? Yes. Narendra Modi sir has given permission to do yoga day on why on June 21st? Yes. This is the longest day of the year. So we do yoga on this day. Why we do? Because to keep our mind and body relaxed. Our mind will be very much silenced. Everyone will be mentally strong as well as physically. Okay, so in this what we do is Stiram Sukham Asanam. We say, what we say? Stiram Sukham Asanam. When we do yoga, we should be still position. We should be in the final position. What we do? In that you should be happiest. If you sit like this, you should be happiest in any position you sit. That is called as a Stiram Sukham Asanam. Everyone? Stiram Sukham Asanam. If you sit in Vajrasana, you should be very much calm. When your leg is paining, my back is paining, no. That is not yoga. Whenever you sit, whichever position you do, whichever yoga you do, you should be comfortable with that position. You should be happy. That is called as Stiram Sukham Asanam. Everyone okay? Okay, fine. So, yoga day, every day, from this day, we'll start like what we do? Daily morning when you get up, we'll do Omkara chanting and some of the yoga steps which you learn in your school. Is it fine, everybody? Everyone? Daily Omkara chanting is must. Early morning when you get up. Okay, everybody? Yes? No one will do? Okay? Yes. So, everybody, once again, Happy International Yoga Day. Happy International Yoga Day. Everybody. Yes. Okay. Thanks. Thanks to everyone.